So today we're going to learn how to cook churros, and our expert chef is none other than Juana. Hi, I'm Hannah and this is Juana.
Hola, we met in New Zealand 1 year ago. Since then, we are sailing and cycling together. Come and join us. Hola, hoy vamos a hacer churros, pero churros malagueños, de mi pueblo, que no son churros, son tejeringos. Tejeringos, tejeringos. Señorita, primero cola. Colita. ¿Ves? Ahora necesitamos... Aquí pone harina chapati. Harina chapati no. Harina chapati no. Harina chapati para los churros indios. Harina la normal. Normal flour.
Strong white bread flour.
Chapati flour. I mean, here is because you have many flour, but it's no normal flour. Normal flour. This is normal flour. Vamos a hacer medio kilo de harina. Sí. Vamos a pesarlo por medir para que luego no salgan los churros muy. This is half kilo already. Hannah, this is okay. How can be possible? It's very little, no? It's not very little. This is not good. Yes, because this is 1.5. But this is very little still, no? Should we put a little bit more? How many churros we want? Muy bien. Entonces, vamos a preparar. Necesitamos harina, baking powder, levadura de esa de sobre en España, y el bicarbonato, bicarbonate. With the bicarbonate, give to the churro little bit volume, soft, but little bit. That's what I wrote in the recipe. The recipe is here. Medio litro de agua templada. Very important. Templada.
¿Qué es templada?
Oh, sorry. We have to make, okay, in English. Flour, little bit more flour, bicarbonate, baking powder. Okay, warm water. Half liter. I'm going to wash my hands because now I'm going to make the dough. I washed it before already, but I'm going to wash again because, you know, nowadays with COVID and all these things, I'm going to give a very professional point. Okay. Oh, this is too complicated. Okay. When I work with flour, everything is crazy. Manos a la masa.
Con las manos en la masa.
We put half kilo here. Small spoon. And then we put baking powders. Soda powder. How much? Normally this comes in an envelope, so you put one envelope, one little packet, I mean. But here I'm going to do like 1 spoon like this. I think it should be okay, no? Like this. Maybe un poquito más, just in case. Ahí, un poquito más. Si acaso. Maybe it's too much. Just like that. Sal, que te quiero, sal. Un poquito más por si acaso. Bicarbonato we add little bit less than baking powder. Because if we put too much, the tejeringo is going to be up.
Rise too much.
Like
inflated.
Not inflated. How can be a churro inflated? Okay, una cosita así, like this, a little bit. Okay. Maybe just. Okay. We made a hole here, and then we add the water slowly. We start to move. I think I need a big spoon. This is too big. Slowly. Wait, we put the water. little bit more. It's good. Little bit more water. I think it's okay, no? Move. And now we take it and pop. Perfect. How to make the chocolate? Easy peasy. ¿Con agua o con leche? With water or with milk?
Just melt it, no?
I think so.
So you put in a glass bowl in a dish over a saucepan full of water, no?
Yes. We made in that bread pan, Hannah?
No.
In this pan?
In a glass dish.
Ah? In a glass?
See?
No. Why?
To melt it.
The
It's just to
chocolate.
melt, no?
The chocolate.
See?
No. We have to put something in the chocolate.
See?
We have to put milk or something.
See?
Yes. Sin gluten. Sin gluten.
So you don't want to put it in a bowl, a small bowl, and then on top of the saucepan?
No, why?
To melt it?
No, with milk. I don't know. I never made chocolate. This is the chocolate. When I was little girl, my mom made this kind of chocolate.
Okay.
In my birthday party, she made this kind of chocolate. Okay. Almond milk.
What to do?
It's good.
It's like candy.
It's not that good then. This is not the one that I used to.
Or you can use a mixture of all of them.
It's pure cacao. It's good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but when is the Spirit Day?
In 2015.
Let's try. Yeah. My sister, she used this one for the dessert in the restaurant. Cuchara para mover, mueve que mueve, mueve que mueve, mueve que mueve. But this is, I think we need more chocolate. So mueves, you move, and you add the chocolate. You can add any chocolate what you like. It's your chocolate. You can put and add anything what you want. You know, no? Mira, look. Now it's thicker and it's very nice. Look. You see? Don't have to be very thick.
I think it's not too bad.
We have this thing, you see, with a hole there, you see, you can look there. And then we put in the plastic bag, we cut little bit like this. And then let's see the experiment. When we open, would be better if we have a bigger bag, plastic bag. We wait for the oil be very warm, has to be very warm. This is the best part. Take this in the eye and we put in the bag. This, but the problem is too small. The bag should be a little bit bigger, but it's no problem. Ahí va. Muy bien, perfecto. Cogemos este chorrito que hay aquí, lo ponemos ahí y este little bitter. Muy bien. Ahora hacemos así. Y mira, ya viene bajando por ahí el churrito. The churrito is coming down. Ay, 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 ay. And now we push. Mira el churro. ¡Ay, que sale por arriba el churro, Hannah! ¡Ay! It's coming out from everywhere. It's coming out from everywhere. This is not working. Okay. ¡Ay, ay, ay, ay! ¡Ay, no, no! ¡Hannah! ¡Ay, qué desastre! Okay, so this was the first try. Always there is a second try and it's going to be better. Look at this. It's not churro churro. I mean, it's a churro because it's a disaster, so it's a churro. But maybe it's good. So Hannah has found this thing. This is more professional. It's the to make churros. And then you put this here. This is a piece of fabric. And then you put this down there. And now it's going to be amazing. Put it here inside. Okay, it's a little bit complicated. I don't know why. Muy bien. And then it's like this. Okay, so always there is one first time, and this is my first time I'm making churros. So to be the first time, it's not that bad, huh? It's not that bad. Okay, the churros coming. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so now this is more professional. I know. Hannah, Hannah, this is wet now. That's why. Now it's wet. The cloth is wet. Hannah, la servilleta. This is a churro. Aquí viene el siguiente churro. Muy bien. Wow, this is perfecto. Ok, aquí cortamos. Muy bien. Ok, more or less, this is a churro. More or less. The important thing is the taste. The shape doesn't matter. This is a art tejeringo. Tejeringo with art. You see? You can make anything. Because it's your tejeringo, it's your art, the way how you make it. The recipe is always the same, yeah? But later, if it's round, it's round. If it's not round, it's not round. What to do? Why is flat here? You see? Shouldn't be flat. But why? I don't know. Maybe because the pan is flat. I don't know. I don't have idea. The thing is, the important thing is we made the churro because we really wanted to eat churros. So we made the churros. And the important thing is they must be good because I make it with a lot of love. And when you cook with love, the result is love. I mean, it's good. ¡Qué bueno el chocolate para la merienda! ¿Tenta? Mira aquí, qué bueno, qué soft, very soft. Hojas en chocolate. Súper bueno. Delicious. Riquísimo. ¿De ves? Better impossible. Thank you for watching.